You're trying to draw an action pose of the new version of Michelangelo from the Mutant Mayhem movie. You can start with his eyes and then hope that magically the rest of your drawing will all work out, but I recommend another approach. Start by taking note of the shape and proportions of Mikey's body and limbs, in other words, the positive space, and then take note of the size and shape of the area in between and around those limbs and features, in other words, the negative space. That includes the space and shape between Mikey's right heel and left instep, the space between his left foot and his left knee, as well as between his left knee and left thumb, the space between that left pointer finger and his head, likewise with his right arm and his head, between his right elbow and right knee, and even the space between that right knee and his right toes. If you train yourself to focus on those two things first, and then use that to draw a light roadmap of Mikey using that information, you are on your way to a much better drawing than if you started with those eyes. It just takes a little thinking first. I hope this helps. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full video on drawing Mikey from the awesome new TMNT movie Mutant Mayhem and hundreds of other videos.